21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so by the end of this video, you will be able to count 20, 21, till 50, just like that. Hey, what's up guys, it's Umar Lakani here. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to count 21 to 50. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we pronounce 20 as 20, just like I mentioned in my previous video. Now 21. Now 21, we pronounce it as 21. 21. So A means and in English. So 20, 20, and 1. So R means 1, so 20 and 1 forms 22. 21, sorry. Now 22. Same things goes for here. 22, 22, 22. Yeah, so 20 plus 2 gives 22. Now 23, 23. 20 plus 3, 23. 23. Now 24, 24. 24 we pronounce it as 24. So 20 plus 4, which gives 24. Now 25 we pronounce it as 25. Now 25, 20 plus 5, 25. Now same thing goes for all of these numbers till 50. So 26 we pronounce it as 26. 27 we pronounce it as 27. We pronounce it as 27. 28 we pronounce it as 28. 29 we pronounce it as 29. And then 30 we pronounce it as 30. 30, T-R-E-N-T-E. So also, if you guys are having difficulties like to pronounce those numbers, I have this image for you guys so that you can practice here. So 20, 21, 22, yeah. So it's basically written in here, so you can basically read it. Now 30 we pronounce it as 30, T-R-E-N-T-E. Now 31 we pronounce it as 31, 31. So 31. 32. So all of these numbers are basically like we do it like it's the same like in English. Like same thing goes in English. Like 21, 20 plus 1, 21. So same thing goes in French too. 20, 21, 20 plus 1. Yeah, 21. Okay, now 31 we pronounce it as 31. 32 we pronounce it as 32. 33 we pronounce it as 33. And then 34 we pronounce it as 34. 30 plus 4, 34. 35 we pronounce it as 35 we pronounce it as 35. 36 we pronounce it as 36. 37 we pronounce it as 37. 38 we pronounce it as 38. 39 we pronounce it as 39. And 40 we pronounce it as 40. And then same thing goes in here. 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45. 40 plus 5 gives 45, like 45. Now 46, 46, 40 plus 6 gives 46, 46. Now 47, like 47 is 47 in English, so 48, we pronounce it as 48. Now 49, we pronounce it as 49. Now 50. 50, we pronounce it as 50. So we can clearly hear 5 in 50, right? 5, like 5 in here, 50. So yeah, 50. Now 51, we pronounce it as 50. Okay, now let's do the recap. Now let's see. Now you guys gotta repeat after me. So I'm basically just gonna be reading it fast. So yeah, so just to keep practicing it. Now 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 50. Now you can say it very fast just like me. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now, yeah, so like to say it very fast, just like me, you gotta keep practicing it. Like, practice is the key, like, to perfection. So, yeah, so that you can perfectly say it very fast, just like me. And yeah, guys, and, I hope you liked this tutorial counting from 21 till 50. So that was it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.